How many goals in the World Cup? Are you following this? If he get it right, you will be 50 pounds. How many? One, no, two. Try again. How many now? Quick. I just showed these two. Don't be stupid. Look. I love this guy. Look. They think it's here. How many? Quick. How many? It's two! Look at, oh, it's two! How many? No, three! I'll do it slow motion. 3 bones in the bag. How shut up. How many? No, orange. Usually everybody claps. Come on. Come on, wait, you get to that. If you like that, oh my gosh, the Matrix. Where you from? Where you from? China! Yay! That's where my speaker's from. Why are you laughing, man? Where are you from? India. Wait, oh my God, you from India? Oh my God, you're in trouble. Ladies and gentlemen, my dancer all the way from India. Hey man, it's my show, yeah. It was good! Can you respond to that somehow? No, okay. Why do you need 2 girlfriends, man? He's the gay best friend. Alright, never mind! Oh God, I give her the finale. Thank you. I give her the finale. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna have fun. Trust me. 3 balls will disappear from under the hat. In the end, you're gonna do more. Trust me, please. Look, the 3 balls will disappear from... What? You're gonna be doing the dancing. Bet you learn with your dad. Get ready. I love kids. You can't beat them. It's the law. I have 2 of my own. 5 and 7. Stupid names. Thank you. Can you move around? Because nobody's getting the jokes. She's from highercrowd.com. That kid got upset. He's leaving now. Look at that. Oh my God. I hate magic. Oh. Look, 3 balls. I tap. Hey! The balls have disappeared. Whoa. Put your hand up if you believe. Put your hand up if you don't believe. Put your hand up if you don't like to put your hand up. Too much sugar in the morning. Put your hand up if you speak English. Put your hand up if you don't speak English. How did you understand the question? He's been laughing for That's right. Mommy, you're daddy. To the stage, please. If I didn't make the balls disappear, how can I do this? Bring it back. Explain. No, we don't have time. Shut up, kid. Look. No, guys, I gotta do this. Your energy is perfect. Are you having fun? Yeah. We're gonna have fun now. Watch this. Everybody together, please. Clap, clap, clap. No, faster, faster, faster. Okay, stop. Everybody cheer. Yeah! Have everyone clap and cheer? It sounds like 50,000 people. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey! Oh, wait, this side is amazing. Good here, not too bad here. Tragedy over here. I know you're in the cheap seats, but do something. Look, there's a drug deal happening there. Hello. Not you, just you. Clap and cheer now. Here. You spit on my... Everybody together! Just you! Do something, man! It's not funny! We gotta do this. Look, there's a lot of people coming from there. They don't know what's going on. We're all gonna clap and cheer, make lots of noise. When they come to see why we're clapping, I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna hide in the crowd. Look at their faces when they come here. Everyone is going. I love this country. In India, I cannot do this. Don't do it. Don't look at me. Everybody look up there. Could you guys come a little bit forward? Everybody, if you move together, nobody looks silly. It's okay. Don't be embarrassed about your clothes. Join us. Thank you. Why there's a gap here? Look like daddy's farting. Everybody just come a little bit forward. Thank you. Everybody together. Charlie's Angels, move forward. Yeah. Oh! Jeez, excuse me. It's a family show. What the hell? Get off Tinder, man. Jesus Christ. You already have 2 kids. Oh my God. Hello? Sit. Sit. Here we go. 1. Everybody look up. 1, 2. Everybody go jump, 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 jump. Did you see that one? Is this the royal? Oh, I'm falling for this man. Ooh, he has nice boobies. What the hell was a joke? You didn't have to squeeze my bottom. It's not fun. Look at that kid, he's drunk. Wait, I give her the finale. Remember I said I was gonna give you something spectacular? Oh yeah, the first, come here, quick, Teddy, come here, I'm gonna make that card disappear. Take your time, but hurry up. Don't worry. What the hell was that? Okay. Why are you walking like a monster? Oh my God. Excuse me. Teddy, how old are you? 8? You wanna be 9? Come here, no. I can tell. Look. Wave your hand on top of my hand, the card will disappear. Keep waving, Teddy. It takes 2 hours. Look at this. Jump a little bit, Teddy. Jump on 1 foot only. 1 foot and spin around like a baboon. Oh my God. Teddy. Jesus Christ. No, Teddy, it's too much. Come here. Jesus. One day you're going to make a woman very happy. Wave your hand, the card will disappear really fast. Just wave it. Silence. I kill you. Wow! Get your own show. Is that your wife? Check this out. This is the thing that I tell you.
Here it's normal. Here it's normal.